So talking about differentiation, how does Admin Suite and Policy and Member allow us to integrate with other platforms and software? So we know carriers are more than just the benefits that they're offering. It's a broader suite and an offering that they're looking at.
Yeah.
How are we set up with Admin Suite? How are we set up, especially in Member and Policy, to have that be seamless?
Yeah, so there's a couple things to that. So I was just with a group of individuals last week who lead the distribution teams for almost all the carriers in the space. And one of the observations that they had was that, the conversation has shifted so much from 10 years ago to today, whereas 10 years ago was really about price and some service, options, but much more about, price and, claims and things like that. And that's still important. But what's now a big part of the conversation is, how do you connect with X? How do you then work with, Y? So, and those are those integrations, right? Those are the partners. Those are the benefits administration platforms. Those are the quoting platforms. If you go kind of quote to claim, how do you connect within that ecosystem? So from a FINEOS perspective, there's a lot from an architecture perspective, like a technology architecture perspective that's been built into the platform that allows for integrations in a modular way, right? So not like a monolith, more of if you want to integrate to underwriting and you want to do it from a quoting platform like a 3Flow or someone like that, there's a set of APIs that support that. So it's a lot API driven. It's an API first mentality. So we do that for all of our key call it use cases across that kind of value prop or that value chain going from quote all the way to claim. So you have areas where you would share your sold case plan design with the benefits administration platform. You have areas where you're going to pull in enrollment data. That's all API driven. And then kind of going to claims and absence, same type of methodology to then integrate to the carrier's portal so that the carrier who usually wants to own that digital experience has that option of doing that as well. So it's an API first mentality. And it also comes out of working with those partners, having a kind of a robust, conversation and strategy as to who are the key partners along that value chain, where are the key, call it customer touch points, where the digital experience as well, and just making sure that you got that right, that you're constantly going back to it and making sure that you're keeping up with any changes as well as making sure that experience is right.